Landrover Defenders have notoriously bad heating. This is mainly due to the fact that all the air is drawn from the outside of the vehicle through the wing vent. After searching most of YouTube, there was a solution with Britannica Restorations, but it was quite expensive. But I noticed a 50mm grommet hole in the bulkhead. I first drilled a pilot hole through the sound deadening from the engine bay side. And then came inside and using a 40mm hole cutter cleaned it up from the inside. I had a piece of pipe that was off an old Henry Hoover. I checked if it would do the bend, and then I cut a 40mm hole just in front of the heater fan. After I'd cut the hole, I checked that the piece was in the end of the hole saw, cleaned all the bits off. I did actually clean it up with a knife, but I forgot to film that bit. I then cut the pipe to length, leaving plenty of excess, and then screwed it into the hole anti-clockwise, about 1 centimetre. I then fed the pipe under the heater pipes and through the hole in the bulkhead. To make it easier for the pipe to pass through, I had to trim an extra couple of mil off the internal soundproofing with a Stanley knife. I then pulled the excess through and trimmed it off, and then the piece of the Hoover that attached to the Henry I screwed back on to the end of the pipe and then pushed it flush back against the soundproofing. I then put the heater motor on and tested it with a bit of paper, and it seems to be working. It's now pulling air from the passenger footwell as well as from the exterior. At a later date, I might go back and clean the inlet vent up, add some Sikaflex around the bulkhead and airbox joints, but it is pretty airtight as it is.